I'm going to show you how to install Westland's universal T-top console cover. The first thing that you want to do is locate the flap that sticks out of the main body of the cover and throw it over the center of the console. Next, we're going to walk the rest of the cover around the console. We're going to come back to the center here. We're going to locate this strap and go over the T-top frame and clip it. I'm going to do the same for the other side. Over the T-top frame, flip it. There are two buckles on the center here that go together, one at the top and one at the bottom. We then want to grab the flap and come over. Then come back to the center. Zip your zipper together here. Goes all the way to the bottom. And then we have two side buckles that will come to your flap, that buckle here. Same on the other side. Buckles back to your flap. And in addition, every cover has loops sewn into the bottom, or you can add a rope to it for an additional support. And that is the Westland T-top console cover.